Hey, what's up, world? This is day one of this new video channel we're starting. Just basically introduction of who we are, what we do, the goal behind this, all these videos we're gonna put out, and like everything related to motorcycles. So my name is Rodrigo. I'm the owner of DNA Motor Lab and Bay Area Vintage Motors. We're located here in the Bay Area, specifically East Bay. Represent in California, and we've been doing this for a long time. We have a full service repair shop. So I mean, we work on Harleys, Ducatis, Hondas, almost anything with the exception of a very few. We do service repairs, maintenance. I personally like to do a lot of custom work. Something like this is the first bike I built and I put together, along with all kinds of other stuff. There's so many things that we've touched. There's so many that kind of doesn't sound right. So many bikes that we've touched, so many different, just a crazy range and diverse range of motorcycles that we've had the opportunity to work on, ride, modify, build, all this stuff. And so basically this channel we're starting is really just to show everything that we see, which is so much stuff, and it's so diverse in models, makes, jobs, everything. Just show the world like what we're seeing, what we're doing, because there's a lot of knowledge to be shared. And yeah, you get to learn new techniques on building bikes, custom work, maintenance, tips, tricks, learn through our mistakes, learn through our successes, just really share knowledge, because that's what it's about. The motorcycle community is really amazing in that it's like so diverse and so massive and literally international. And so like it's this common bond that we all have, unanimously, without any questions asked. Just a kind of a respect and an understanding of this lifestyle. So yeah, so this is literally day one. This is going to get better. It's going to start horrible. Who cares? It's fine. This is where we're starting, but we have so much to be shared, and so much knowledge to share that I think the world can definitely benefit from. So we're gonna get rolling. The first video that we're putting up here is basically on this thing here. This is a 75 CL360 Scrambler Honda that I put together a long time ago. We just got it back just went to the track last weekend and put this thing on the track just to really see how it's gonna do. There's some changes we made, and we'll talk about all the details that went into this bike, and just techniques that worked, things that made it faster, things that made it better, slower, lighter, all that kind of stuff. But we're gonna do a walkthrough on this bike here. First, kind of taking a look at it from after the track day. We rode it pretty fucking hard that day, and so we just want to make sure everything's seating up okay, everything's doing okay. The bike did extremely well for being like 30 plus years old, around all these leader bikes, these modern injected bikes and shit. This thing did phenomenal at the track, and I'm super happy with it. The biggest thing that we were wanting to see is just how there's a lot of motor work, there's a lot of jetting work in this thing, there's a lot of just electronic work, all kinds of stuff. How is all this stuff performing? How is it all doing under like a serious heavy load, heavier than you would have on the streets? And it knocked its own socks off. Like, we didn't go down, we didn't push it too hard, obviously. I wasn't trying to do this tank again, and this is all copper plated. I wasn't really trying to do that again either, but if we had to, whatever, for the name of motorcycles. So yeah, so we're gonna go through this thing, kind of get it unprepped. It literally just brought it home, set it down. It's like, okay, I'll deal with this later on, because we're really busy at the shop and we're focusing a lot of projects out. So yeah, we'll go through this, and you get to learn a little bit. Thanks.